Congratulations, you found the top Chinese source for refurbished trucks, passenger cars, special vehicles, and construction machinery. We are GE Truck, located in Jining, Shandong, China.
We mainly deal in Sinatruck 6 for dump trucks and 6 for tractor heads.
All our vehicles are high quality, used with full refurbishment, mainly exported to Malaysia market. All vehicles and equipment have passed comprehensive inspection and professional refurbishment, with excellent vehicle performance and ultra-high cost performance.
We have offices in many regions, providing complete and reliable after-sales service for customers in Malaysia. If you are looking for high-quality, refurbished trucks and construction equipment, we have been waiting for you here.
We can provide personalized, customized solutions and offer one-stop service support throughout the whole process.
Let the world witness Made in China.